Hi guys, today we're back with another video and I'm going to be reacting to the sound that adults can't hear. I can hear that. That's it for today. Bye.